Okay, we're going to go over the CSS on this page. But before we get going, um, every website you want to make, you're just going to Frankenstein front ends from different websites until you've learned what you're doing. So you can get fonts like this and stuff. And then you're just going to be creating Frankensteins of your own Frankensteins. And CSS is just one big game of broken telephone. And until you get further down the line on the telephone game, you end up with sites that look like this. So what we can do is we can adjust font sizes. We can set background colors. We're going to keep it kind of dark, but we'll lighten it up. And we'll darken that up a bit. And you'll see that it is lighter. And the header to this is all just copy pasta stuff. It's deep CSS stuff. It doesn't matter. This is a kind of neat thing here. We're set right now to 100% on this piece. And if we change 100% to 100 view width, that bar is going to go all the way across. So that's just a personal preference thing. My eyes like this way. This is the font that we brought in at the top of the page here with the Google font. And here we have the same thing where we could go 100 view width. And in order to see that, we would need to give it a background color that's different. And it's just going to take up the whole piece. Oh, go to 100%. What's that? Interesting. Learn something new every day, kids. Next, we got the list of items. It's again just a bunch of Flexbox stuff. Everything you'll see, some kind of word and then a line and then center. It just means the type of stuff you're working with, and then you want it in the center. It's very rarely set to the left or right, sometimes, but so rare. And we're going to see this font brought in all over the place. Here is a padding, 0.5 EM. We could set that to 1, and the bar goes up and down. I like 0.5. The main section here, this is again where this comes into play. I'll guarantee that. Close the gap off here. Open the gap up. We're going to work on getting everything to fit onto one page and how to make pages scroll by page when we get to JavaScript, but this is clean compared to it being jammed together. The H2, again, this is just font size, 0.8. That's probably something like 18 pixels. That's not bad. We're doing okay. These are just the elements inside there. Nope, that's not true. That's the list of the elements for right here. If we were to change them, 0.9. 0.9. You see everything's way bigger now. It's just a easy way to go off of changing font sizes. Most designers use EM, not pixels. Most beginners use pixels, not EM. It's kind of the way it is. Box one, this is going to be this button. We're gonna be able to, we could set this from the top. We could set it 10 pixels down, and it's gonna be way at the top. 6.5 shows up right where we want it, down in the middle. Right would be the same thing. If we just went 205, it's just going to move to the side. 75, back in tight where we want it. Button one, this is really absolute copy and paste stuff. You'll never make this on your own. It's on every page and everywhere you've ever seen anything. Let's just change a couple of things to show you. Takes all the padding off. Font weight here, I would imagine this is not going to be changed drastically. A little bit, but it's not noticeable that you'd really want to play around with it. Cursor pointer is standard. This is what makes the modal when you click on it, so it makes it come down like that. It's not important. This here is what changes the color. You'd go more phantom wallet with the button, and see like that. If you were going to do that, you'd want to go with something up that way on the color so that you could actually see it. That's, again, we're going all the same stuff over and over and over again. Here's a cool thing, z-index 2. If I were to go z-index -1 and then click the button, it shows up way at the back. I can't even get to it. Go back to front. Boom. So you want to picture that as layers on Photoshop, basically. Z-index is which layer you're working in, and you can just set it back, set it forward, whatever. But it starts at 0 and works its way to the front. As you can see, this modal is ugly, so we can just make this look a little bit better. That's going to be done here to start, because that button can go up to the top corner, and then pop up H2. We can go font size, 18 pixels, a little bit cleaner, and one. Let's go font size, 10 pixels, and there you got it looking smoother. If we want to really go spicy, we could put in justify content center. It's just gonna kind of tighten it up. And then down at the bottom here, just that, just so you can see the last piece of the page. We'll make that more phantomy too. So when we click on here, go up, the button turns purple, click on it, good night, darling. And that is the basic starter for CSS.